Greetings. I hope all is well with you. My name is Albert G. Bossy. I am the host of Help Me Find a Resource. Help Me Find a Resource is a program that researches resources in a community and connects the people with such resources. The following series are meant to connect you with resources in Mattapan, Massachusetts. In this series, I will highlight IFSI, a community service organization located in Mattapan, Massachusetts. First off, let's start with Mattapan. Mattapan is a town or neighborhood in Boston, Massachusetts, which neighbors Milton, Hyde Park, Roslindale and Dorchester. Mattapan is the original Native American name for the Dorchester area, believed to mean a place to sit. As of the 2010 census, Mattapan had a population of 36,480 people, with the majority of its population being immigrants. Approximately 35.6% of Mattapan's population is foreign-born, and slightly more than half of those who are foreign-born have become United States citizens, with 53.8% of foreign-born citizens. The largest percentage of these are Haitians, with 33.2%, while Jamaicans and Trinidadians make up about 27.6% of Mattapan's population. Today, we're highlighting IFSI USA, spelled IFSI, which stands for Immigrant Family Services Institute Incorporated. Moreover, IFSI's mission is to expedite the successful integration of recent immigrants into the social and economic fabric of the United States, with justice and dignity. IFSI focuses on children first, as educating children yields enormous benefits not only for the children, but also for society, as youth engage and become productive members of the workforce. Immigrant Family Services Institute provides targeted academic support and enrichment services, using a holistic approach that addresses the unique challenges of immigrant children, as a way to maximize their full potential in school and beyond. In addition, IFSI advocates for immigrant rights, most recently addressing current TPS recipients, by helping with alternative paths to citizenship, and providing accurate and timely information about, and responses to new developments. IFSI utilizes a village model, which entails integrating children, parents, grandparents, and other stakeholders in its programs. It provides services that promotes education, encourages civic engagement, and strengthens communities. All of IFSI's programs and services are culturally appropriate, future-oriented, and make use of strategic partnerships and computer applications, when appropriate, to connect immigrants with beneficial services and organizations. IFSI establishes strategic alliances with various sectors interested in meeting the health, education, social, and economic needs of immigrants. IFSI works with colleges and universities, hospitals, churches, various immigrant groups, policy makers and key stakeholders including youth, parents, and community leaders. Through the village model, IFSI plans to bring the best of each sector to strengthen the immigrant community. Immigrant Family Services Institute aims to be a leading institute of leadership, thought and action, providing an excellent framework from a futuristic and global perspective, to equip providers and stakeholders to meet the emerging needs of immigrants in the United States, and throughout the world. Immigrant Family Services Institute Incorporated, aka IFSI USA, is located at 1626 Blue Hill Avenue, Mattapan, Massachusetts, 02126. Email, info@ifsiusa.org. Phone, 617-322-1348, or 857-251-9806. Immigrant Family Services Institute aims to be a leading institute of leadership, thought and action, providing an excellent framework from a futuristic and global perspective to equip providers and stakeholders to meet the emerging needs of immigrants in the United States and throughout the world. Thank you for watching this program. Please subscribe to this channel, in order to receive automatic updates. Likewise, please share the link with your family and friends.